All right, here we go. Okay, come on the other side of me. Come on the other side of me and hold my hand. Okay. All right, you want to push the button?
Yes.
Okay, we've never seen this elevator before. It's very interesting. Go ahead, push the button.
1, 2,
Go ahead, push it. Go ahead. Oh, look! Look! Whoa, it's kind of industrial looking. Oh my god, people have trashed it. Graffiti. That sucks. It's a cool elevator. It's a shame people have smashed it. Scratched it up. Oh boy. Okay, let's look out the window. Can you see? Oh. Listen to that engine. That motor moaning. Oh, look! It opens over there. People have just trashed this elevator. Look at the glass and the steel. Jeez. Okay. Oh, there's the aerial tram up there. Look at that. Okay, you want to go down? Oh, the sensor works. Okay, you want to try it? Push G for ground. Oh my goodness. Okay. You gonna push, did you push ground? Yeah, you did. Okay, good job. Okay.
This looks like this. We'll listen to that motor.
Yeah.
And then let's take the stairs up. We'll make a window. And here I am.
Here we are.
This